Love is blind. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Love is blind. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Love is a powerful force that often defies logic and reasoning. It allows us to see past flaws and imperfections. Focusing solely on the feelings and connection we share with another person. When love enters our lives, it has the potential to bring us immense joy and fulfillment. However, it is important to remember that love is not always easy. It can blind us to the red flags and warning signs that may be present in a relationship. In these instances, it becomes crucial to maintain a balance between the heart and the mind. Love should not be an excuse for tolerating mistreatment or compromising our own well-being. Instead, let love guide us towards making wise decisions, fostering healthy communication, and nurturing a supportive partnership. By acknowledging both the strengths and weaknesses in our relationships, we can work towards building a love that is not only blind, but also deep-rooted and resilient. True love goes beyond superficial appearances, accepting each other for who we truly are. Love is blind indeed, but it is up to us to ensure that it also serves as a guiding light, leading us towards a lasting and fulfilling connection. In the journey of love, we often encounter challenges and obstacles that test the strength of our bond. Love is blind to the flaws and imperfections of our loved ones, but it is essential to have a clear perspective on the health of our relationships. We must be willing to address any issues that may arise and communicate openly with our partner. It is crucial to remember that love should not blind us to mistreatment or compromise our well-being. We can nurture a deep, resilient love by embracing the true essence of our partners and accepting them for who they are. Love is indeed blind, but with a balance of heart and mind, it can guide us towards a lasting and fulfilling connection. Love is blind, but it does not mean that we should be blind to the realities of our relationships. As we continue on our journey of love, it is important to constantly reassess and evaluate the health of our connection. We must be willing to confront any issues that may arise and address them with open communication and understanding. It is crucial to remember that love should never be an excuse for tolerating mistreatment or compromising our own well-being. We should strive to nurture a love that is both blind to superficial appearances and deeply rooted in acceptance and support. Love is a beautiful and powerful force, but it requires effort and dedication to maintain a strong and fulfilling bond. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.